We are live, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. IBIO 285. Nice little rally here. LXT popping up here. Publication preclinical data cancer depository. What's the float on this? Float is 1 point. What's the 3-minute look like? This one has a good setup here. I don't know. Maybe. Yo, I'm back. Let's stock and roll. Hey, Lex, what's up, bro? How you doing, man? Good morning. Hope you're doing good. Hopefully the stream does good today. It's been an on and off situation here. LIXT popping up here very nicely. All right, let's see what we can do here. All right, we're in. We're already in. Come on, LXT. Do us a little proud here. $360. Come on. She's got a pretty decent move here. 1 minute looks pretty good. We had a good setup there. Good breakout above the VWAP. There we go. Boom. Come on. There we go. LIXT. I'm already in the green. Come on. Okay, we're already hitting $4. Boom. All right, and we're in and out. Let's go. We made some money. How much did I make there? I think I just made $10 right off the rip. Okay, I'll take it. Nobody's in the street. Already made some money. Let's go, dude. Yeah, this could keep going, but I made a day trade this morning that did not play out at all the way I wanted it to, and I lost about $5 on that. And this trade right here, I just made I think about $9, so I'll take it. I made that little quick pop up, boom, bada boom, bow. Keep going, LIXT. The volume is looking really good here. But that $4 it was way too quick. It was way too hard, so I'm out. In and out. Ching ching. Let's go, baby. I think that was... Hey, Salsar, what's up? I think that was one of the quickest trades I have ever made. I've never been so in and out so quick. That's what she said. Alright, well, I got one day trade left, and I like that. I like that little trade I just made. I do have FLGC on my cash account, so... Yeah, because I got it in like the 54 area. I made about 40 cents. Yeah, that makes sense. 40 cents, 25 shares. It's about $10, yeah. In and out. Yeah, I know. In and out, baby. In and out. We're getting hot here. take a look at the 1 minute. Oh yeah, I mean this one has a setup to continue going here. I tried the play I tried this morning was HKIT, which I went with 100 shares and I got out also pretty quickly, but it's because of low volume. But there we go, LIXT, good little trade here this morning, right off the bat. That was so unexpected. I didn't expect to get in, especially just after the stream started. That was not planned whatsoever. Barbara, good morning. How are you? I'm just happy that was a nice little in and out there. So we're gonna take what we can get. I do have one more day trade left, but right now I do want to focus on FLGC. I think FLGC still has. If it does pop up, it's gonna be tricky to pop up here, but we'll keep an eye on it for now. IBIO. I think IBIO needs to fall first before it's probably going to get knifed at the open here. Congrats on 700 subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, we have officially hit 700 subscribers. Sue, how are you? Good morning. Good afternoon, I should say. I always say good morning first, and then I always say good afternoon. But yeah, thanks. We're at 7:01. Uploaded a nice little video I spent this morning making and editing and this, that, and the other. So yeah, LIXT is not out of the woodworks yet. So it's still in that mid-range channel of where I sold out from. It happened a little too quick for my liking. I think we'll probably keep going here. Yep, we're gonna keep going. I mean, I sold right out at like 394. I sold out pretty much at the top on that first spike. So, yeah, but I could see a potential move to the higher fours here. Just we need to break that $4 level first. VLD. Oh my goodness, VLD. What has happened to you? Where's Pyro at? Is Pyro in here? Pyro, tell what happened, man. What happened? DTCK up a little bit. All right. Not terrible, not great. Wish we. I'm gonna leave up FLGC here in the corner. Yes, that is how much I have. I have 55 shares, nothing crazy. We do see weed stocks somewhat up today, so that's good. We still have that good news for next week, so I'm thinking we see the 240s here on FLGC. But that could also happen tomorrow. Guys, remember, it is a short week this week. I didn't even know about it until yesterday, and today's Wednesday, so great video on trading setups with 19 monitors. Hey Zen, what's up? Good morning, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, it was a little bit of a lighthearted video, you know. I actually one of the reasons I haven't been uploading a lot on like video wise is because I don't know what format I wanted to make videos on. Like, I like making the trading videos, but the problem is I stream it. I stream me trading, so it's like I don't want to spend another 3 hours off of the stream building or like recording and editing a trading video. And I didn't want to. The informational videos are overplayed, and there's better videos than mine out there. But so I wanted to make a style, like I wanted a style of content that like was more suited to my thing. And you know, I don't see a lot of people like talking about that type of stuff. So I think I'm gonna be making more videos like that. So I hope you enjoyed the format. I hope you enjoyed the video itself. I'm going to play around with it a little bit. We'll see where it goes. Also, let me know what you think about the stream setup here, like with the camera and like the whole border, like the sort of background image, and give me feedback, guys. Give me feedback. You guys are the ones who watch it every day, so. All right, yeah, let's take a look here. OTRK had a low volume pop up. Snowa hasn't that one around. IBO is still popping up here. LIXT still did try to push back up here, struggled a little bit. Might not be done yet. I'm not putting LIXT out of the question. It's just that pop up was so quick that I was like, profit. Like, I'm not even gonna. I don't even know like what is the percentage gain there. I didn't even take that into consideration. See, I bought it at 354 and I sold out at 394. What was my percentage gain there? My percentage gain was about 11%. I mean, I'll take an 11% trade. There we go. It's going to keep going up here. It's probably going to break this $4 area. Well, okay, it's opening 5-minute candle. This could also just get rejected and come back down to that VWAP level. So we'll see. I'm not going to get ahead of myself here. CMND, I'm very willing to. Pixie looks somewhat interesting. Volume was pretty decent. It wasn't great. Float is small though. Oh, I'll leave up Pixie for now. Pixie seems like it could be a play that might have a nice little pop up here. MRDB. Actually, let me switch to my margin account so because I now not only did I make the money back that I lost this morning, but then I also made a little bit extra. So I'm back at $330 to trade. So plus I like trading in the market a little bit more. There's a lot more freedom when it comes to trading. So like the whole limit order thing inside in pre-market is just it's a headache because especially when you're playing fast movers like this, like you can set a PT, but I've I've had it where the PTs just get they get doinked. They just get dropped. So Hoth also potentially looking interesting. I like the setup. It's a very interesting sort of slow, not a slow climb down, but it's just been kind of falling. The volume, I mean, we have a low flow. Any news? Positive data from Alzheimer's studies was the 19th. Hold up. Maybe I gotta check the. Hoth doesn't have a terrible setup. We've long wicked before in the pre-market here. I think Hoth could also be in play here. So we got Pixie, Hoth, LIXT still looking good. IBIO, I'm not trading this. I don't care how high it goes. Yeah, there's that LIXT drop back or attempted drop back down to the VWAP here. It's still looking pretty decent. I already am in and out of that play, so I'm not gonna double dip. I've had bad experiences with double dipping, so we'll leave it there. So LIXT is more for entertainment purposes in regards to watching it. IBIO, I want to find a different ticker. What about MRDB? What about this one? No, this one looks like it might come back. It looks like it probably will come back up to that 47 level. It left a gap there, so we're probably going to see some decent buying pressure. I'm curious to see how it reacts. We're not at the 200 EMA on the 5-minute just yet, so That's generally a good sign, especially if you want to collect those EMAs. So you probably, yeah, you probably don't want to go any lower than this. We are filling that gap on Hoth. I mean, that could be a good gap fill. Pixie is still looking ready. Pixie has that sort of the bull flag forming, like something where it looks like it wants to come back up and pop up again. So MRDB already popping back up to the 40s. What's Pixie's volume at right now? Pixie's volume. We do have a good 5 minute setup here. Hold up. What was the high? We reached 437. Oh. Oh, that's a good candle on LIXT. Double indecisive red candles. Oh my god, we're gonna break the $4 here. Here comes the break of the $4 on LIXT. Come on, push it up. Push it up, push it up. Pixie with a nice little pop up. Come on, come on. Give it some juice here. You got that 13 VWAP on the 3 minute. 5 minute looks good as well. We got it on the 2 minute. We have cascading. Oh, come on, man. Don't let this be one of those plays. In fact, if anything, let it drop into market open here. I'll be okay with that. Is it just me or does Hoth look like it's going to be one of those plays that rallies all the way back up to the 180s? At least the 160s here. There's no way it's just going to drop all the way down. I mean, they do have gaps up down to 141. That would be insane. We'll see. We'll see. I'm going to go grab some coffee. I'll be right back. Alrighty. I'm back. Let's go. Come on. Took 2 minutes. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, Hoth is continuing to drop here. Pixie already moving up. Pixie has that. It's going to retest that 340 level. LIXT, they're just going to grind it out until the market open. 319. Come on, Pixie. I don't even know what was the news. Announces major asset purchase agreement. I don't know. I don't know. All right, let's take a look here. Market's starting to heat up a little bit just before the open. We only have about 10 minutes left. Any new plays? Oh, and by the way, GCTS. I know that you might not be able to see it, Salcero, but I have it. It's on Webull, so, and I can buy shares. It's up 81%, and I think it hit $30 here. Where did it? Yeah, it hit $30 in pre-market. 20 is resistance, so maybe something to keep an eye out if you're still looking for a play. All right. Yep, there we go. GCTS. Okay, you know what? How many shares can I can buy 25. And it got away from me. All right, we're canceling that order. Oh wow, okay, and it dropped again. Volume's still a little bit low on this. Oh, there we go. LIXT, fourth time around. Hoth already popping back up to 156. So some of the plays, not terrible, not terrible. GCTS. What was the other one? IBIO. IBIO still looking to come back up. Hoth getting dropped. GCTS just looks good. All right, so we got Pixie. Pixie was the other one. So we got Pixie, GCTS, LIXT, and Hoth up on the screen right now. These are the plays that I want to keep an eye out on. There we go, Pixie looking to break that VWAP now. Damn, I was kind of hoping they would let it wait until the market opened. But yeah, that's set otherwise. GCTS still looking good. Oh, can't. Should have left that order in maybe. LI, yep, 1241. There we go. I don't think it's going to pop up all too much. I think maybe 13. But if you've got every share and it goes up $1, I mean, that would be a nice little return right there. FLGC $2. DTCK. How are we doing with DTCK? We've reached an area where there's just no trading going on. The market is so empty. All right, GCTS did have a gap up, but it gapped up on top of good play. Hoth already 156 again. Pixie 323. All looking good. All right, LIXT, here we go. Come on. Hoth 157. Retesting that $4 area. Should break it here. 5 minutes left. 4 minutes left to go. There we go. 407. We did break that $4 level on LIXT. Now I'm pushing up 411. 411. We should break this, shouldn't we? 412. There we go. 413. Nice little spike. Good volume as well. Hoth getting dropped. $420. GCTS. Oh, alright. We already won a trade this morning. We lost a trade, we won a trade, we're up on the trade, so that's good to see. We are in no rush to make any more trades. Pretty slow, pretty quiet. $12.50. What is that? 10 shares, 20 cents, $2. That would have been a $2 trade. $3 trade. Oh, come on, Hoth. This is your moment. Okay, maybe Hoth is the next one. No, GCTS still looking good. $12.66, $12.77. You son of a gun. I'm in. $13. $13.16. I could have still gotten in on that play. That was just I just gave up like 5 seconds too early. Oh, well, I just realized I had my mic turned off. Great. I was just speaking for a while. Um, all right. CDC or GDC? GDC looking good. There we go. FLGC also looking good. What's the 1 minute volume? 1 minute volume, not that great. We did have a spike up in volume there. Oh, there we go. There we go. FLGC 215. LIXT still looking to break back up here. Come on. Hoth getting dropped. All right, let's go back. IBIO hit 299, also got dropped there. GCTS dropped from that 13. With LIXT up twice. Pays with a nice little spike up here. Come on, let me get a 2 for 2. Let me get a little bang bang. GCTS halted on the way. I actually don't know, and I'm not going to find out. IBIO out at 291. Congratulations, Solcero. Ooh, it just took a drop to 250. Really, congratulations. Those ones are always tricky. LIXT getting dropped here. Could not break that $4 area, or at least hold above it. Yep. Please keep shorting. Please keep. I ask of you. I beg of you. Rejection to breakout. Come on, FLGC. All right, Pays is moving up here. Pays. What was the news on Pays? Pays for sales view tops forecast reports results quarter end earnings summary. Shares of 4Q EPS sales top estimates. All right, let's flip back over to the margin account here. We do still have 1 day trade. That shit looks good. Oh, you're really gonna let me miss out on those gains, Paige? You, God, you had to do it 5 seconds too quick, man. Really? Oh, you just let me. Oh, you're really gonna let me miss out on that like $5 gain? Oh, yeah. LIXT still looking good. Pays looking good. Damn, man. I don't know. I already traded LIXT. Pays was the one I wanted to get into, but they had to do that cheeky stuff. There we go. There he is. LIXT. Oh, that was a good gain as well. What about how does the 5 minute look? 5 minutes still looks pretty good. 440 is the high. Selling pressure immediately kicking in. Pays still pushing back up here. All right, we're just gonna keep finding GDC. How's GDC doing? GDC's opening volume was good. No volume after that though. Pays still pushing up. NVCR halted on the way down, coming all the way back. How is that possible? You hit 1866 all the way back down. HKIT potentially getting ready here to bounce. Opening volume was pretty decent. Float was a little high. Pays still moving. 420. Checking VLD. MDAI or MDIA. ATPC, no. Alright, PAVM. PAVM with a spike up here. Volume looks kind of weak. What was the news here? They provided a news update. PAVM looking good. Pays with a nice spike. LIXT hit 440 down to $4. SMR with a nice spike, 20%. Ooh, this one looks good. SMR. What's the news here? I don't see any news whatsoever, but the volume is looking pretty good. Ooh, this one ran up big last time. Okay, hedgies are in SMR right now. Pay's still climbing. OTRK up to 52. We're getting dropped here, but no big deal. We can buy a good amount of shares here. GNS is up 6% for anyone interested. Hood is at 1993. Wolf is up a little bit. There we go. OTRK still pushing up here. Pays popping up. 430. That was the move, man. That was the move. That was the play. Beat a bop bop boom bow. All right, we're getting past the first 15 minutes here. Pays. Where's the LIXT? There we go. Pays. Man, that volume is strong. That's some strong volume. All right. No, we still got to come back down here, don't we? We have some good buying pressure there. PAVM volume not consistent, but not terrible. IBO getting dropped down to 240 here. All right, we're almost past the first 15 minutes of the market. Still letting the market figure out what it wants to do. You're gonna tell me that ain't the setup? But it already tapped that 520. Where is it gonna go up above? 605 potentially. No. God. I've missed two already. Pays was the right play to get in. Got out LXC at 417. Missed the top at 440. No, I mean you don't always hit the top. You know, sometimes just collecting what you got is the way to go. SMR could be the next here. SMR could definitely be next. There we go. That's that 30-minute I was looking for. What about the 15? Oh, 15. What are you doing, 15? Come on, man. What is that setup? What is that setup? That is such a god-awful setup. Nah. We're going to let that play out. It's way too early to get into that. Well, it might be the right time to get into it, but I'm not a big fan of it. PAVM, no volume. STKS popping up here. What is the news on this? I don't know about this one. LIXT now down to 350. It pays to pay. LIXT getting dropped like a hammer. IBO potentially finding a little bit of support here. We could see a little bit of a pop-up. Maybe potential back to 280 here. SMR not liking the way it's moving. OUST. What was the news on this? There we go. Pays looking to break that pre-market high. Ooh. That was the play. That was the play, man. Missed out on GCTS. Missed out on Pays. 453 just broke it. Ooh, CGC with a... Okay, never mind. Run is running. Sun run. Yeah. SMR. SMR's volume is pretty... Yeah, we still got a couple of minutes of this BS. Alright, you know, we're going to switch that up. IBO still coming down. PAVM. Something about PAVM. It's not even the fact that the volume is like super high. It's just, yeah, you got one guy pumping it up on StockTwits. Actually, let me look at the... Not yet. SMR still falling. Hey, Pyro, good morning. Good morning. How are you doing? That VLD drop ain't that wasn't fun, was it? Oh, it just dropped again. Something tells me PAVM. Verb having a nice recovery. Verb is moving very nicely. Verb's, what's the volume? What's the float? Verb is looking froggy. Pays with a little bit of a topping pattern here. Verb. Could Verb try to push back up to 43 here? Yeah, potentially. Just a little too late on some of these plays. Excuse me. I don't like the fact that Verb is already kind of like above the VWAP like that. Because it went from super bearish to like super bullish on an instant flip. I do like that the volume is increasing, so that's something going for it. SMR isn't done here. Minute doesn't look bad. 5 minute looks a bit wonky. 1 minute. How's a 1 minute looking? 1 minute still looks pretty good. We hit 507. Get rejected here. There we go. Verb still pushing up. Yep, volume increasing. Alright, we're going SMR. Come on, SMR. So that yesterday at 3 p.m. That was a good sellout. Page with a big knife. Verb with a big knife. Oh, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. SMR. Whatever. What? Oh, that was way too early. Whatever. That was bad. Break even today. Whatever. 3 day trades in one day. That was terrible. I just don't like how it was lining up like that. Sort of like weird M pattern. Oh, yeah. Okay. I misread that play. That's my bad. Whew. Hey, DJ Underground, how's it going? IBO with a nice little pop up. Nice. Let's just throw up SMR. Yeah. You could feel the once the market saw that setup, it was like, this is done. 20%, goodbye. Yep, good. Okay, that was a good sellout. That was a really good sellout by me. Woo, there we go. Big drop on SMR. Big knife as well. Wow, look at that. Holy crap, I got out at the exact right time. Look at that. That's crazy. Damn, everything fell off. GCTS with a spike up, though. Not the greatest of trades. Alright, where's IBIO. There we go. Nice pop up. Should know. IBO looking to break out. Pays with a drop. Verb also came back down. LIXT still coming down. Happy I got a SMR. Damn. All right, guys. I know that was short and sweet, but actually, no, we'll keep going. We'll keep going. We'll keep going. Stream's just it's starting to buffer a little bit. See, I'm watching OTRK and IBIO. Yeah, OTRK had a nice little spike. I was watching at 52. SMR coming back up.